Ever wondered how to make homemade filled chocolate bonbons? It's easier than you might think. Imagine creating luxurious treats that not only look like they belong in a gourmet shop, but taste like it too. You can fill them with caramel, ganache, fruit jam, or even creamy centers. All you need are some basic tools and ingredients. High-quality dark or milk chocolate is essential for coating, and a silicone or polycarbonate chocolate mold will help you shape your bonbons. Now let's get started with the first step, melting the chocolate. Start by chopping your chocolate into small pieces. The smaller, the better. It will melt more evenly that way. Now, let's get that chocolate melting. You can use a double boiler or a microwave. If you're going with the double boiler, gently melt the chocolate over simmering water. If you're using a microwave, heat the chocolate in short bursts, stirring between each. But we're not just melting the chocolate, we're tempering it. Tempering is a process that involves heating, cooling, and then slightly reheating the chocolate. This is what gives your bonbons that professional look and feel. You'll want to heat your chocolate to around 45 degrees Celsius, or 113 degrees Fahrenheit if you're using dark chocolate. Let it cool, then gently reheat. This ensures your chocolate sets with a nice snap and shine. Once your chocolate is melted and tempered, it's time to coat the molds. Pour your melted chocolate into clean, dry molds. Tap them gently to remove any air bubbles. Swirl the chocolate around each mold to ensure a smooth, even coating. Then tip the mold upside down to allow any excess to drip out. This leaves you with the perfect thin layer coating the inside of each mold. Any extra chocolate on the top can be scraped off with a flat edge or scraper for a neat finish. Now, pop the mold into the fridge for about 10 minutes to set. Once the chocolate shell has hardened, it's time to introduce your chosen filling. Be it luscious caramel, decadent ganache, or tangy fruit preserves, fill each cavity about 3/4 full. A spoon or piping bag will give you the precision required for this task. But remember, don't overfill. You'll need some space to seal the bonbons with a final layer of chocolate. After adding the filling, it's time to seal the bonbons. Reheat and retemper your remaining chocolate, then pour or spoon it over the filling in each mold. Ensure you're creating a complete seal, covering the filling entirely. Scrape off any excess chocolate to make the backs of your bonbons smooth and flat. Once you're done, it's time to be patient. Place the molds in the fridge and let them set until they're completely firm. Once your bonbons are firm, carefully pop them out of the molds. And there you have it, homemade filled chocolate bonbons ready to enjoy or gift.